out of order, so I'm gonna have to cut it myself. I'm gonna have to cut it myself at home. Somehow fit this in the car. Maybe I have my ratchets. Plywood over there, it's not gonna fit in here because it's not chopped in half. So I can put it on the top with some ratchets. Alright, I somehow got it on top. Okay. Now it's time to start this project. I put up these 4 chairs here, kind of as my workbench, because I mean I don't have an actual workbench, so this will do. But I have to kind of decide how big my dining table is. My current dining table is 60 inches. Online, one of the standard sizes is 72, and people say that fits usually about 8 people or 10 people, a little bit snug. But since I am cutting my own table, I could make it a little bigger. I got it. I decided at 76 inches because if it's bigger than 76 inches, it won't be able to go through my door. It'll be too big. Alright, let's get to cutting. Okay, good morning. Let's cut out the board. First I gotta move my car out, but yeah, let's get started for the day. I forgot my extension cord, so I'm gonna have to go back and go find an extension cord. But I don't have goggles, but I have sunglasses like this. And I also got a mask, but I need an extension cord because my cord is too short. Hah? Hah?
What you doing?
My project.
What? Is it you攞嚟買木？你條 front 有啲 furniture grade 啊？
What's furniture grade?
你個樓梯嗰度咧，見到個樓梯嗰度，the vertical surface, the painted white, those are furniture grade， 好滑㗎。
It's sanded.
Actually, this is close enough.
I'll put my 4 pieces of wood together. Looking good. Okay. Hello? Holy moly. Okay, it looks a little more ugly on the bottom than I would have liked. But it works. Woo! Now I'm opening a Chinese restaurant here. Holy! And now I can just roll this on top of my dining table. But I definitely need help with rolling it. Oops. And I'll clean up the garage tomorrow when I can. But thanks for watching me make this table. It was fun. It was a lot of work. But thank you.